Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can easily back up our computer data from one user to either hard drive or USB drive. Okay, so let's get started. And first, let's open our File Explorer. So if you have your File Explorer, please, or File Explorer in the taskbar, just please click on that. And then please go to your local disk C or your C drive or your main drive, and then please click on that. So in here, please to make sure that you have inserted already your C drive, your USB drive or hard drive in your device or desktop. And once you have inserted, then please go to this process just like what we did. Open your File Explorer and then go to this PC option, and then let us go to users folder. So in here, please look at the user account or the local or administrator account that you already or that you usually use, and then please open that. For example, this one. And then if you have important files, folders, documents, or anything that you determine as important, then please click on that or select that, and then please make a right click on it and then click on copy. And then if you see your hard drive here or USB drive, then just please click on your USB drive and then paste it in your USB drive. So you can do the same process with all the other applications, software, document, or any files that you have in your user account or local user account, and then copy it to your hard drive. Okay, so that's it. That's a very easy process on how you can easily back up your files that you have in your user account. And if you learned something from this video and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.